Hi, thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I'll be sharing my favorite dessert recipe, and it's walnut cookies. These are so soft and sandy, and they have dulce de leche filling. These are all the ingredients you'll need for the cookie dough, and I just want to share that I'm using a baking soda without aluminum. This one is aluminum free, but most of them do contain aluminum, just a heads up. You will need 3 eggs and 2 egg yolks, 1.5 cups of sugar. You can substitute the sugar for powdered sugar if you want more sandier taste, but it will be a little harder for you to work with the dough. 450 grams of butter, room temperature. Mix it until you get one even batter without any clumps. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 cup of flour and start mixing until even batter. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla if you like. Now I'll remove my whisk head and put a dough hook. And now I'll be adding flour as much as I need to reach this soft dough structure, but it won't be sticking to my hands anymore. Here you can see the dough is very soft, but it's not sticking to my hands. That's what you need. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And here I have my nut molds. I got them off Amazon, probably under $10. I'll leave a link below. I'll brush some melted butter on my mold so the cookie won't stick. I'll be doing about 10 grams of dough for each cookie. Spread the dough equally in the cookie mold. Bake them for 18 minutes at 375 degrees. I'll be filling my cookies with dulce de leche. I'll put a link below on how I do my own from condensed milk. Get 2 cookies and connect them together. I'm dipping my cookies in powdered sugar. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon.